Hi, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use WordPress Elementor to edit the content on your website pages. So when you're on the admin panel, let's go to the Pages section, All Pages, and choose the page that you want to update. For example, the home page. Click Edit with Elementor, open a new tab just to keep the admin panel here and return easily whenever you want. Here is our home page, which is constructed with different blocks. You can see how it's interactive and highlighted with these blue squares. It means that it can be edited. For example, this one main banner. Just click on it and you will see on the left side bar all the elements that contain this banner. For example, Nature Glow and Skin Lightening in our example, these are the slides that we have here. You can open each and start editing it. For example, you can choose and change another image for it, like this. You can also go to the content page and change the content right here and see how it will appear automatically on the preview. Let's put back this one. And also you can edit the style, including the color of your text, so it will match the design of the background. Let's move to the content once again. You can change also here button name, yes, shop now, and here we have click me. And you can also set up any link to this button. The rest elements of the website also can be edited just by simple click. For example, this one. You can see it contains title and description. So by clicking one of them, you can change. Here you will have even a simple text editor. You can create bullets and propose the text like here. One thing is important is the contact details that usually described on the footer of your website. To edit it with Elementor, you just open it separately. Let's discard the changes because I don't like them. And here we go. The footer is uploaded. The rest of the page is inactive for editing, so you need to return to the admin panel, but footer is at your service. Here we have the templated text. Yeah, so you can put here your relevant content and see how it's updated online. Usually companies update phone numbers or emails or adding some new. So let's go there and try to change icon like here, and now we can change even this text on the new one like this. If you don't have, for example, social media Twitter account, you can remove it from here and keep only the existing one. And when you got the new one, so you can add it from the library of already existing icons. That's how it works. So when all changes are done, you just click update and your page will be saved with all the updated content. That's all. Thank you for your attention.